So there's the master bedroom. And here's the guest bedroom.
That's bad.
Yeah, it's, you know, full height tent, like it's great.
Mountain I river low, I follow. Take me to the bottom, draw me in low, wherever you go. Mountain I river low, I follow. It's a beautiful, beautiful
We are at
life.
Furry Creek.
Beautiful, beautiful life. Beautiful, beautiful life.
Here we are. Here we are. Look at this. That's great. Look at the flowers are beautiful. And look at this view here.
Anywhere you wanna go, I follow.
Oh, great. Awesome.
Mountain or river low, I follow. Take me to the bottom, drown me in low, wherever you go. Mountain or river low,
That's me there, okay. Yeah.
I follow. Beautiful, beautiful life. Beautiful, beautiful life. Beautiful, beautiful life.
Look at that green over there. Wow. Can't wait. And this is a par 3, 97 yards, it says on the T card, but we're going a bit farther back on this one. Oh yeah, nice shot, nice shot.
Oh, nice shot. Man.
Oh, that
Good,
should be
That
good.
is-
Be the right
that is
club,
great.
come on. Oh wow, great shot.
Number 5 at the Furry Creek Golf and Country Club. Hopefully Morgan has enough storage on this video card because he does like to take a while before he hits. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. Pricey.
Launched it. Too good. No.
Yeah, the lefty went left. Just trying to make a joke, you know.
It's all good.
You know my jokes, they're weak.
Look at that.
You got like higher level, max.
It's like you're taking off.
It's like a drone's buzzing right next to your head, or a wasp, or you know,
I
a
first heard-
mosquito.
When I first heard that sound, I was like, what is going on? Cool, man. Popping and styling.
Hey, you know, when you have a tendency to overheat like myself, you need to take measures and address it.
You guys,
What are you saying? What do you think of the
saying-
view?
I think this is the money right here. This is the equity right there, buddy. Silhouette of the most beautiful mountains, then right into the Monashees up there with their black comb. Little sea to sky action at Furry Creek. Holy,
Yeah, this is gorgeous.
like,
We just came out of that little tunnel there. Yeah, this round made possible by our good friend Chris Hollanderski. Awesome. Awesome round.
Spectacular spot.
Oh.
I think Chris and I are by each other.
Those are both you guys. I think I just came up.
There's Robbie. Wow, it's the right weight.
Here, let's hold this.
Get in.
No.
Oh my God, he got it in.
Nice bird, Robbie.
On the picture.
Wow, documented and everything, man.
Yeah. Boom.
Nice. How do you feel, Rob?
I feel top of the world. I feel a lot of release.
Can't actually ask for anything more. A birdie in this beautiful setting, like it's
Thank you very much.
just amazing. Good job, Rob.
Woo. Thank you, Morgan. Thank you.
Beautiful, beautiful life. Beautiful, beautiful life. Beautiful, beautiful life with you. Anywhere she wants to go.
It is an honor to eat the head of your prawn. So, this is take this, boys. Eat some brains for once. Brains. Very good brains. Very nice.
I've done it actually a few
Yeah?
times.
So this is the boat we're going on. Chris's friend Al, his boat. It's a massive boat. Look at that. It's got like 3 different levels. It's pretty sweet. Pretty awesome. Here's Captain Chris.
Co-captain. No,
Co-captain. Co-captain Chris.
Deck
Not,
lead today.
he, yeah, he's lead deckhand today. Carver C4.
C40.
C40.
40 feet long.
Oh man, it's a big boy.
Yeah. Over $1 million new.
Jeez. What are you saying, boys?
Hey, a big
I'm
one.
on a motherfucking boat.
This is more like a yacht.
Yeah.
It's still a boat.
It's fucking nice.
Well, it's a yacht if there's like an actual like boat, like an emergency boat on the boat.
Well, there's
the
an emergency
definition
boat up there.
of a
Is that
yacht.
really the
I think that's the definition of a yacht. If there's an emergency boat on the boat, then it's a yacht. So this is a yacht. It's got a emergency boat.
Yeah, but I see a lot of boats have emergency boats that are not yachts.
Very slowly though, I think.
Usually the sailboats have a right of way. Sailboats have a right of way over about somewhere as easily as we can. I don't want to go that close to them, but I think by the time I go there, I'll be far enough. And then even a motorway by the time you get my
Mountain I am made alone. I follow.
go down to the lighthouse. By the way,
Take me to the water. Draw me in, Lord. Wherever
There he
you
is.
go.
Oh yeah. Captain Chris just got promoted to captain. Lead deckhand, but he's driving the boat.
Yeah.
So the lighthouse over there.
It's a beautiful,
just gonna take a right.
beautiful life.
Just behind the lighthouse.
Beautiful, beautiful life. Beautiful, beautiful life.
Yeah.
With you. Anywhere you wanna go, I follow. Mountain on a river.
right there. They love it.
Anywhere she wants to go.
We're just cruising down the Coquihalla here on our way to Merritt. Everything's running like a top, very smooth, German style. You know, that's 130 there, so just setting it on cruise control.